Tasty, yummy.
It's yummy.
Like yum.
Like yum. Yum.
Look, smell, tell us what you think.
It looks very colorful.
I like the color. Oh, it tastes good.
Looks nice. Looks colorful. There's a lot of meat. I love meat.
I like the filling. And I'm not too sure if... But this actually kind of melts in my mouth.
The filling they be. The taste is it's smooth. I can taste yum. Yeah.
It's yummy. Like yum.
Yeah,
Tasty, yummy. Like yummy.
I mean, if it's not expensive, I'll buy. So, yeah, it depends. But definitely, I'll buy this in a restaurant. Definitely.
Chef, turmeric umana.
I mean, the color and everything is perfect. So, yeah, very colorful.
A 7.
Why?
Actually, I like how it tastes, but it's not my style.
Let's say a 9. That's because I'm not really a young person, so a 9.
It's a 10, actually. 10.
Great.
Can I take you?
No, you can't.